Most marketing doesn't work, not because your product isn't great or your service isn't valuable, it's because your message isn't clear. You're talking about your brand when you should be talking about your customer. The StoryBrand Framework flips the script. Instead of casting your brand as the hero, it puts the customer in the hero's seat and positions your brand as the guide who helps them win. Whether you're building a website, writing an email, or launching a new campaign, this 7-step framework will help walk you through exactly how to do it. So at its core, the StoryBrand Framework is a marketing messaging system that helps businesses clarify their message by positioning the customer as the hero of the story and the brand as the guide. Let's break down the 7-part StoryBrand Framework, the secret to clear messaging that connects and converts. So number 1, the character. Your customer is the hero of the story, not your brand. It is all about them. Number 2, they have a problem. Every hero faces conflict. Define the external, internal, and even the philosophical problem your customer is up against. Number 3, they meet a guide. That's you. Your brand is the guide, and you need to show 2 things: empathy and authority. Number 4, you give them a plan. Make it simple. Lay out clear steps that help the customer take action with confidence. Number 5, give them a call to action. Be direct. Whether it's buy now or schedule a call, people need a clear next step. Number 6, help them avoid failure. What happens if they don't act? Make the risk real, but not overdramatic. And number 7, it ends in success where you finally show them the win. Paint the picture of a better life after they choose your brand. That's the power of StoryBrand. It's not fluff, it's not theory, it's a proven communication strategy that works. Make your customer the hero, identify their problem, position your brand as the guide with a plan, call them to action, show them what success looks like and what failure means. That's it. The StoryBrand Framework helps you stop confusing people and start connecting with them.